Hello and welcome to another exciting edition of Savvy Jamaican Cuisine. Yes, this is the show where I teach you of how to be that phenomenal chef. Yeah, definitely today I'll be walking you through the process of how I do my fried chicken. Yes, fried chicken is one of those comfort food. It's one of those meals whereby you're excited about. But oftentimes, even though people get so excited about it, there's still some offside to it whereby, for one, your fried chicken can be too dry. And that's where we often have an issue. So I'll be showing you today of how to make your fried chicken so moist and juicy when you bite in there. So it's a complete replica of that KFC kind of vibe, right? So I'll just be walking you through the process today of how I do my fried chicken. So I'll be seeing you on the other side of this video where I'll take you through the seasoning process as we go into the frying of our chicken, yeah?
Sweet Jamaica is now on the move. Help me with my song and let the people them come sing along. Take up your cutlass, a shovel and your hoe. Take up your books, tell people let us go.
Alright guys, so here we are ready to start the seasoning process of the fried chicken, right? So here we have our chicken that has been cleaned and washed with vinegar. Of course, no dirty chicken around here. Chicken is clean and washed with vinegar. So this is my seasonings I'll be using in the chicken to season it. I have onion powder, garlic powder, I have salt, I have a bit of jerk seasoning, I have all-purpose seasoning, paprika, and a bit of chicken seasoning. Also, I'll be using a bit of cayenne powdered pepper, some dried thyme, as well as a bit of black pepper. Now, I'm just going to be dumping all this seasoning into the chicken. So, nothing major. We're dumping all of this season into the chicken. Just give it a combine everything here a bit. So now I'm going to go ahead and to add some dried thyme, just a minimal amount, not too much. Alright, so some dried thyme, and then the grounded cayenne pepper. So I just add a bit of that as well to this. Alright, that is enough. So I'm just going to rub everything in together to incorporate all of the seasonings so the chicken can marinate well. Alright, so what I'm going to do next is this is how you get your KFC style chicken from home. This does a trick, guys. I'll be using buttermilk, right? So I'll just add like about a cup of buttermilk to the seasoned chicken, of course. Alright, this is like about a cup. And what I'll do is just make a quick mix of everything here. And what you're going to do is to cover this, of course, and leave it in the fridge for a minimum of 16 hours. I'm doing mine overnight, of course, so pretty much it can infuse and come together well with the seasoning and the buttermilk. What the buttermilk does is literally make your chicken soft and juicy when you fry them, and it maintains the moisture in the chicken. So yeah guys, as you can see, this is the finished product of the seasoning. So what I'm going to do now is to cover this and put it away in the refrigerator to start the frying process. Alright guys, so here we are getting our fried chicken ready for frying. So of course, this is our seasoned chicken that was in the fridge for minimum 24 hours, I should say. Alright, so here we have some regular all-purpose flour. To this, I'm going to be adding my special condiments that I use on my meat. So like a mix of garlic powder and onion powder. So like about a tablespoon to that. I'll also add some paprika. Just a little bit as well. To this I'll add some black pepper. That's like about a teaspoon. Some cayenne pepper as well. So I'm gonna use like about a teaspoon as well. Good. And some chicken seasoning. This is like about a tablespoon, pretty much. So what I'm going to do now is just whisk all of the ingredients here together, you know, combine it well into the flour, because this is what I'm going to be using to coat the chicken. And then as you can see, I have my egg wash there next to it and my breadcrumbs. So after combining all of this together very well, of course, we're just going to coat the chicken. So it's a particular technique. So from chicken to flour, flour to egg wash, from egg wash into the breadcrumbs. Right? So we're just going to get this started. So I'm just taking my chicken piece by piece. So what I'm looking for is the part that coordinates with each other. So I'm going to put in the thighs together because these take a longer time to fry. So just cook this well. As you can hear the sizzle in the background, my oil is already heating. So coat it with the flour, then into the egg wash, then breadcrumbs. So just coat this well. Alright, so just cover every aspect of the chicken with that. Alright, so as you can see, I've added the a few pieces of the chicken to the oil. So I'm just gonna allow this to fry on medium heat, not so much of a high heat, because what's gonna tend to happen if the heat is too high is that the chicken is gonna be brown, but it's not gonna be cooked. So we want to ensure that yes, we have that nice golden brown color, but the chicken is also cooked. So I'm just gonna leave these sides to fry, minimum 7 minutes for each side. Right? So just leave these as at the heat as it is, and our fried chicken to be ready in the next few minutes. Lovely people, so we are back with the final presentation of what your Jamaican fried chicken should look like. So this is like the last few pieces I'm gonna get out here, and as you can see, I'm actually draining them. So whatever excess oil was there, that get removed as well. So here it is, guys. Final product of what Jamaican fried chicken should look like. Alright guys, so yeah, fried chicken finally done. And this is what your fried chicken should look like, as I mentioned. So you're golden on the outside, and of course it's thoroughly cooked. Alright, so again, thank you so much for making it Savage Jamaican Cuisine. This is where we teach you everything Jamaican. So in whatever you do, just be savvy, and I'll see you on the next video.